Our boss blank different problems every day. Letter A deals in, B deals with. Let's find out the answer in a few minutes. Hi, I am Charlene, a licensed professional teacher, and I love teaching English here on YouTube. And today, we will discuss phrasal verbs to start with letter D. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko last time, ang mga phrasal verbs ay pares ng dalawang salita na hindi konektado, pero kapag pinagsama mo, nakakagawa ng bagong meaning, magkakaroon ng bagong ibig sabihin. Part 4 ito ng series ko tungkol sa phrasal verbs. Ito yung link kung gusto mong panoorin yung iba. Okay, let's start! Phrasal verb number 1 is dig in. It means to start eating with enthusiasm. Example, ready na yung boodle fight ninyo na hinanda ninyo, syempre. Tapos pagkatapos ninyo magdasal, sinabi ng leader na, let's dig in. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kakain na. Dig in. Number 2, damp off or damping off. When there's too much moisture in the plant, it is affected by fungal parasites. Example, you should only water these plants every 2 days. Otherwise, this will damp off. Yung parang mababasa ng husto hanggang sa mabulok na siya. Phrasal verb number 3, we have deal in. It means to buy or to sell something or to do business. Example, their family deals in used cars. Ang ibig sabihin natin dito nagbebenta o bumibili ng mga gamit na sasakyan ang pamilya nila. Okay? So, kapag sinabi natin na deals in, it means ito yung business, ito yung inaasikaso mo. Deals in. And phrasal verb number 4, we have deal with. Okay? It means be about to or to do something about. Harapin o bigyang pansin yung isang bagay. For example, Marika is still dealing with the death of her beloved grandmother who raised her. Diba? So, tingnan ninyo ha. Now, let's go back to our question earlier. Our boss blank different problems every day. So, ano yung tama natin gamitin? Deals in or deals with? Okay, so the correct answer here is letter B, deals. Okay, so deals with. Our boss deals with different problems every day. Ibig sabihin, hinaharap ito ng amo ko araw-araw, iba't ibang problema. Humaharap sa iba't ibang problema ang amo ko araw-araw. Ikaw, grateful, what are you dealing with right now? Ako, I'm dealing with a mountain of paperwork. Sige, comment mo dyan sa baba kung ano ba yung mga kinahaharap mo ngayon. Number 5, decide on. It means to choose something among the options. Para mamimili ka sa mga pamimilian. Example, GREATfuls students are having a hard time deciding on the course that they will take in college. Another example, I have already decided on the dress that I will wear to the prom. So, anong next na dapat nating gamitin dito sa blank? Kung ang ibig sabihin ay nag-e-enjoy sa pagtatanim. Tingnan natin tong sentence natin. My mother blank growing ornamental plants. Letter A, deal with. B, draws on. Or letter C, delights in. Ano kayang phrasal verb ang dapat natin gamitin? Okay, correct answer here is letter C, delights in. When we say delight in, it means to be very happy because of something, to enjoy something. Yan, delights in, yung ginamit natin with letter S, kasi singular dapat yung verb natin dahil singular yung subject natin na mother. Alright? I hope na nakuha yun na. That's number 6. And number 7, we have depend on. Depend on, it means to depend on, umasa sa something or sa someone. It means something or someone relies on something or someone. Ayan, para sabihin natin na ang isang tao, isang bagay ay nakadepende, ang kasama nito ay on. So, depends on the price of the puto, depends on the prices of the ingredients. So, yung presyo ng puto, nakadepende sa presyo ng mga sangkap. Depends on. Okay? Next one, we have dig up. So, when we say dig up, it means to get from under the ground. Okay? Parang hukayin yung something. Example, my cat is digging up the dead fish that I buried in the garden yesterday. Sa Tagalog, hinuhukay ng pusa ko yung isdang ibinaon ko sa hardin kahapon. So, dig up is paghuhukay para may makuha. Itong dig up na to, may iba pang kahulugan yan. Yung matuklasan ang isang bagay na dapat ay sikreto. To find something that's supposed to be a secret. And we need to dig up his files to make sure that he's not a spy. Oh my God, we're talking about spies here, GREATfuls. Alright, number 10, we have disagree with. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, to express a different opinion. Itong salitang disagree, ibig sabihin yan ay hindi sang-ayon, hindi pagkakaintindihan. Pero, dapat tandaan na itong with ang dapat na laging kasama niya. Okay? Disagree with. Kung meron kang bagay na or tao na hindi sang-ayon, gagamitin mo to sa pangungusap, ang tamang word na gamitin ay disagree with. Example, my parents disagreed with my decision to live abroad. So, hindi sumang-ayon ng mga magulang ko na mabuhay or mamuhay ako sa abroad. Okay, number 11, yan, 11 na tayo, do with. So, do with, it means to make use of something, gamitin at pakinabangan ng isang bagay o ang isang tao. Diba? Ayan, so, kapag i-Englishin mo yung pangungusap na, ano kayang gagawin natin sa asong ligaw na to? Magiging, what shall we do with this stray dog? Okay, so ganun natin siya i-Englishin, do with. Phrasal verb number 12, we have doze off. Doze off, it means to fall asleep, especially for a short time. Pwede rin to fall asleep without the intention to. Yung bigla ka na lang bang nakatulog? Ayan. So, for example, I'm sorry, I missed the meeting. I dozed off while waiting. Sa Tagalog, uy, sorry hindi ako naka-attend sa meeting. Bigla kasi ako nakatulog habang naghihintay eh. So, that is doze off. Ayan. Reminder, yung mga phrasal verbs natin, dalawang salita na hindi magkaugnay na nagiging parang isang bagong salita kapag pinagsama. Tignan natin itong tatlong phrasal verbs na nagsisimula sa draw. We have drawn, draw out, draw up. First one, we have draw on. So, draw on, it means you make use of your skill in order to do something. To use as something. Yung parang dun ka aasa, dun ka huhugot. Ayan, example. As a teacher, I always need to draw on my patience to handle learners with different needs. Bilang isang teacher, kailangan ko umasa at kumuha ng lakas at kakayahan sa pasensya ko para ma-handle o mahawakan ko, magabayan ko ng tama yung mga estudyante ko na may iba't ibang pangangailangan. Draw on. Pinapakita dyan na kailangan kong gamitin yung pasensya ko. Alright? So, that is draw on. Next one, we have draw out. It means to pull something out. So, parang literal na mayroong hinugot na gano'n. So, let me give you an example, GREATful. The host slowly drew out the name of the raffle winner. Ayan, hugutin palabas. Dahan-dahang hinugot ng host yung pangalan ng nanalo sa raffle. That is draw out. Next one, we have draw up. Draw up, it means to prepare a draft. So, example, the graduation day is coming. We need to draw up the program as soon as possible. Diba? May isa pang meaning to ha. Yung draw up, pwede rin naman, or drew up kapag past tense, pwede rin namang huminto na yung sasakyan kasi hininto na ng driver. Example, the Grab car drew up in the wrong location. Okay, so that is draw up or drew up. Tatlong magkakaibang phrasal verbs because that is a combination of two different words that will give us a new meaning. Number 16, we have dream of. It means you like to be, to do, or to have. Sa madaling salita, mangarap. For example, Alexandra always dreams of owning a private resort. Sa Tagalog, palagi nangangarap si Alexandra na magkaroon ng sarili niyang resort. Ayan. So, pagkatapos naman na 'Di ba, dream of yon. Syempre, magiging dreamed of. Tapos mo na siyang pangarapin. So, let's take a look at this. I just dreamed of being in a national TV before. Sa Tagalog, dati, pinapangarap ko lang na makita sa national TV. Ikaw, grateful, ano bang pangarap mo? Sulat mo naman dyan sa comment section. I-manifest natin yan. Kasi ako, 'di ba, I just dreamed of being in a national television before. And look, na-interview tayo sa isang show sa ABS-CBN with Denise Laurel. Ayan, pause mo muna tong video. Practicein mo na na gamitin yung phrasal verb na dream of. Okay, if you're done, number 17, we have dress up. Dress up means to put on formal, nice, or fancy clothes for an occasion. It means dress very smartly. Example, do teachers need to dress up when attending the prom of their students? So, dress up, ibig sabihin, magpapaganda ng suot. So, sa tingin nyo, kailangan pa ba naka-dress up or maganda rin si teacher sa araw ng prom ng mga estudyante niya? Ano po sa tingin nyo? Okay, so let's move on to number 18. We have the word drive away. So, drive away, it means make someone or something move away. Sa Tagalog, drive away, itaboy. For example, please drive away that mouse. I'm afraid of it. Diba? Ipakitabi mo nga yung daga na yan. Takot ako dyan talaga. Pakibugaw mo nga. So, pwede rin yun. And number 19, we have drive off. Okay? Drive off means to drive or to leave in a car. Ibig sabihin ay magmaneho na paalis. Example, sabi siguro ng anak, Ma, is Dad still in the garage? Taray, no, merong garahe. Ma, nandiyan pa ba sa garahe si tatay? He forgot his phone. Nakalimutan niya kasi cellphone niya. So, yan yung sinabi ng anak dun sa nanay. So, pwedeng sagutin ito ng nanay na, oh no, he already drove off. sabi na nanay, ay naku, nakaalis na yung tatay mo. So, that is drive off o kaya naman drove off kapag tapos na. Okay, grateful, subukan natin ito kung meron ba natandaan sa tinuro ko tungkol sa phrasal verbs. Number 1, the attitude of the new manager of the milk tea shop is blank the customers. A, driving away, B, driving off, or C, drawing up. The correct answer is letter A, driving away. Tinataboy ng attitude. Attitude yung nagbabantay. Number 2, Mary Chris is from a lower class family. In order to survive college, she needs to blank her skill set and intelligence. A, draw on, B, draw out, or C, draw up. Alright, correct answer is letter A, draw on. Ibig sabihin, kailangan yung umasa sa kanyang kakayahan at talino. Draw on. Okay, number 3. I don't know what to blank these extra test papers. All of the students already got one. Letter A, due to, B, due on, or letter C, due with. Okay, correct answer is letter C, do with. Ayan, nandyan na sa question natin yung clue, ano? So, anong gagawin? Do with. Gagawin with W, with. Ayan, meron ka bang tama sa short quiz natin? I hope na meron kang natutuhan, grateful. Kung may time ka pa, pwede kang mamili dito sa dalawang videos na ito. Kung wala naman dito yung gusto mo, pwede kang mag-search dito sa YouTube. I-type mo lang yung topic mo. And then, lagyan mo dun sa dulo ng Charlene's TV. For example, you are looking for adverbs. I-type mo yan and then type in Charlene's TV, hit search, and makikita mo na kung meron na ba akong gawang video tungkol dyan sa topic na yan. And kung wala pa, don't hesitate to comment your topic suggestion below. So, it has been a very productive day and video with you, GREATfuls. I'm gonna see you next. Bye-bye!